Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this Walthers car, which I've had for a while. I did a review on it in the past, but I decided I should probably do another one because the original one was really bad. This time I'm going to split it up into several parts. This is going to be the introductory and how much this car actually cost me, and then the next part is going to be an unboxing of it and how to open it. Then the next part will be a detailed review, and then we will finally go on to a roll test. So, let's get into the box overview. Okay, so here is the box. It's your standard Walthers box. It has a little window cut out into the front of the box that says Walthers Mainline above it, and in this cutout you can see the car, and it has a bit more branding, and on this the bottom right corner it actually says Scale, if you really want to know. On this side of the box, it tells you information about the car. So this is a 50-foot, 100-ton 4x hopper from Burlington Northern. This car has metal wheels and knuckle couplers, which is standard. Here is the back of the box if you would like to read it. These are for ages 14 and up, so think about that if you want to buy it. And then here's something from the owners of Walthers. And then here's the other flap of the car, which says basically the brand name and the scale it is. So, let's unbox this now. Okay, so I got the car all set up like this, so I think I'll show you how to unbox it if you don't know. So, on each side there's going to be these little flaps, which you can pull out either one. Then you slide this whole plastic assembly out of the car, and then it has this. It is a piece of clear plastic that makes it so you can see through the car, and another piece of white plastic that's molded so the car stays nicely in place. To open it, you just remove this top plastic piece, and then you can pull out the car. So, let's get it on the track and I'll give a detailed review of it. Okay, so here's the review of the details of the car. I'm just gonna start with this side. I think I'll go with what I don't like about it first. So a lot of these details are molded on, like these little stirrups here, as well as this ladder. And if we move it around like this, that ladder also is molded on, as well as the brake wheel. It's the same thing on this side of the car as well, and on this side. So, those are some of the things I don't really like about the car. Some things I do like detail-wise is that the wheels of the car are actually bigger, since these cars in real life actually have bigger wheels to just accommodate more load, I think. And I really like just the matte color of it, the logo, and all the very tiny specific details of the car. It just makes it really interesting, and it's a really cool thing. It also is really well weighted, and has basically weighted through the bottom here, so it rolls along the track really nicely. Also has some KD knuckle couplers, which are some of the best knuckle couplers, so it should run best with your train and uncouple the least. So let's just give it a roll test now. Okay, so it is time for the roll test, so let's just give it a little push. Ah, I forgot that I had that engine there. Apparently these have been coupled to horn hooks somehow. So let's just give it a little more of a push. It seems to roll really nicely. It's not coupled to the train. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you want to see this car in action, there will be a video on the screen here that you can watch.